Welcome back to the shop. We've come quite a long ways in the last week. This is now the ukulele body that's all closed up and has all the maple binding. I have spent all of yesterday leveling out the sides. We would video that, but it's a very long process. It's kind of boring. So you get to see the finished result though. I also have the neck roughly cut out. The fretboard has been bound. And what I've left for you guys to be able to see today is I've got to do all the abalone trim around the top of the soundboard here. So that's what we're going to do next. We're also going to radius the fretboard and glue that to the neck. We have now hammered in the abalone shell around the whole thing, and it's glued in with the super glue. We'll wait just a couple seconds, let that dry, and then I'm going to level sand this whole thing and get it nice and flush, and it'll really bring out the shine of all this pearl we've added. And once that's done, all I have left to do is add the end graft on the body here, and it's finished. The body's finished. Now I've got all the abalone in and leveled. The whole body's pretty much ready for finish. I still obviously have to do all the neck work and everything, but I'm just going to wipe it down with some mineral spirits so you guys can get a sense of what it'll look like under lacquer. So let me just wipe it down. I also wanted to show you guys what the neck's gonna look like once there's some finish on it. I've rubbed mineral spirits on here to reveal the figuring in it. It's not just a piece of mahogany. I found a really nice piece of flame mahogany, so you can see how it's really gonna pop. Once I shape it, you'll really see it, you know, because this will be curved. And obviously it'll have the fretboard on top of it as well. Something else that I did from the last video to this one is I've gone ahead and gotten this neck not only rough cut, but I've got it rough fitted as well. On a ukulele as opposed to a guitar, it's just a bolt-on. There's no mortise and tenon or dovetail, just because there's not enough string tension. I got the neck bolted on very lightly now. So what I'll do next is I'm gonna take sandpaper, and it's called flossing with sandpaper, getting this neck joint perfect. Lots of things to consider when you're doing that is you have to get the angle of the neck up and down correct, and you also have to get it correct this way so that when I put the strings on and it warps under string tension, that everything goes right where it is. So this is kind of one of the most important and crucial steps on building any of my instruments.